In the previous episode of this car's journey, a couple small but very important tasks were completed. I was able to cross a nice set of fenders off my parts list. Made repairs to a replacement front bumper. Changed out the 35-year-old transmission fluid. And with the help of my friends at Aces Automotive, a new performance radiator was installed with a nice set of cooling fans. This was also over a year ago, and before I show you the next set of tasks that I have for the car, I thought I'd give you guys a quick recap on all the wonderful things that have happened since this car's last appearance. Like a split oil pan gasket out of nowhere. Or a very considerate neighbor who had hit my car doing donuts in the snow at my apartments, which then thought he could get away with a hit and run living only a few doors down from me.
Just hit that car.
Thankfully, another neighbor and now friend of mine had caught the whole thing on video and had snapped all the pictures she could, and thanks to her proof, he admitted full fault to his insurance company. And since this happened in the middle of winter, I ended up having to wait over a month for the Firebird to be inspected by a body shop. Luckily, it was all good news and I was glad to put this behind me. But 3 blocks down from the body shop, the car's alternator decided to check out, so the car had to be towed home. But despite the bad, a couple good things have happened as well. I installed a 4-inch air cleaner to utilize my new hood. And after the car had died, I went ahead and replaced the alternator along with the battery. But I can't wait for what's about to be the biggest changes aside from the engine that I have made to this car. To say I am excited is an understatement. And yes, that's right. This car is getting a complete suspension overhaul. I purchased my dream suspension from UMI and was so excited to start installing it on the car. So, enough narrating. It's time to get to work. After installing the lower control arms, I then went ahead and began installing the new Panhard bar relocation kit along with the new Panhard bar to the car.
Ow. That felt good.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I wanted to thank you all so much for watching. And make sure you stay tuned because in the next episode more of that new suspension will be going on the car. If you guys like this series, please consider subscribing and also make sure to tap the bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So until next time guys, my name is Robert. Thank you all so much for watching United Brothers, and I will see you all again real soon.